Hey, so a few days ago, by that like 2 days ago, these nylon gears came in. They're very strong, at least I assume so. They feel kind of dry-ish. I don't know. The texture is interesting, but with that, I finally got to try the with the motors and the whole extending mechanism of the thing. It was interesting. I have some short footage of that I'm gonna break down at the end, because as you can see, I took off everything and disassembled a bit because a few things broke, and a lot of things were bending, which you'll see later. Where this broke off, the 3D printed part. I just had this collar piece, but the collar piece snapped off, and then yeah, I don't know what I'm exactly gonna do. I'm gonna have to redo this definitely, but maybe I'll do in a different material, or I'll figure out how to not have it break in PLA, because I don't know, getting this done in for example nylon like these would be really expensive, and that's just not in my budget. So that broke off during the process of testing. I also noticed a few things of, damn, it's kind of annoying that I just assembled everything, but this whole frame that has all the motors, that has the gears run on it, I noticed a lot of flaws with it. I had a bunch of things that was already kind of bugging me with it, but I actually I'm deciding to fix it. And here, as you can see, there's more holes all around. I added an additional 2. I still have to 3D print the right one, but it's gonna have these super long screws going fully throughout, because I had just more bending on each corner, where originally I just had a screw here, screw there, and 3 screws I thought was gonna be enough, but then these corners started pulling up, and it was a bit weird because I had some wrong whatever. There was just a bunch of minor things I want to fix, so I'm gonna use these really long screws, and at the bottom here I have these hex nuts that I'm gonna put in those spots. Little detail, I shift this to the side so the screw won't get in the way. I still need to figure out the wiring situation so I can have 2 buttons to change the direction of these motors. So I really need to get on top of that. A nice detail, because I reprinted it, is now, because at some point I fixed my printer, it doesn't have this terrible print job that, I don't know, would have been just annoying to look at. All of these 3 pieces got remodeled and are gonna be a different, so I'm gonna get to that. Yeah, mostly I'm just putting more screws and reorienting parts on this, and it'll just work better. This I still need to figure out how to have it hold on without breaking. And let's get to the actual video of it extending. In the footage, I didn't have it fully extend throughout because I just was really worried about it breaking, and the noises it was making was already kind of scaring me. But you can also see, if I slow it down, I hope I do, you can see a bit of bending of the plastic, well, PLA, mostly with the racks and the flipping sandwich thingy with all the 3D printed parts holding the motors. That top part was already flipping not having a great time. So that's why I want all the screws to make sure it's like even more secure. That's why I like really focused on having at least one screw at each corner, and then I'm gonna have like a total of like 5 screws on like each layer, and I hope that'll just be sturdy enough. Man, like these racks with the teeth and stuff are actually gonna, I don't know what to do with that exactly, but right now I'm just focusing on, I just keep on calling it the sandwich, the sandwich holding the motors, and that's about it. Have a good one. Bye.